Baby, baby, stop. Why are you doing this to us? I thought we agreed you're going to slow down with this. Why are you doing this? Why?
Daddy, don't be violent. I stood there for some minutes knocking. You wouldn't even hear me. How can you hear me when you're engrossed with this? Please stop. Stop. Benjamin, stop. This is not good for your health. You're killing yourself. You're killing us. Stop. Don't even stand again. Okay, I'm sorry.
You walk into my house. No respect for Benjamin, one of you.
I said I am
How
sorry.
dare you talk to me?
Did you hear when I said I'm sorry? I'm sorry, my soul. Jesus! Jesus, baby! Jesus! God! God! I said I'm sorry! I said I'm sorry. Don't do this to me. Jesus! Jesus!
How dare you talk back?
I'm sorry.
In my own house?
I did not. I'm sorry. I love you. Jesus!
Huh?
Baby! 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 You started again!
Huh?
Baby, you started. You promised you won't do this to me again. Stop! Stop! Jesus! You're starting. Jesus! So bad. What? God knows that I hate this guy with so much passion. I feel like strangling him. I feel so bad. What? God knows that I hate this guy with so much passion. I feel like strangling him. No one will ever make me go back to him. I'm waiting for that person that will come and talk to me about tolerance and patience. I'm waiting for that person. I'll just ask the person to go and become the punchbag.
Oh, really? You talk as if you don't need that.
I don't care anymore. I don't care. If that love guy so much that he doesn't give a hoot about my security, he should go and become the punchbag. I'm done. Honestly. Like, I don't know. You claim you love someone and you can't even like do anything to make sure that the person you love is happy. And all you do is to choose cocaine over your fiancé. Who does that? Jane, you have nothing to worry yourself about. It's all my fault. If the season has been, you should cut my legs before last.
Better. Really? Oh, really? You, I know. You'll still be the one to soften your heart. And think that you love him so much. But you cannot do without him. You. Rachael.
Not anymore. Not anymore. Get something for us. Baby girl, I am not in that mood.
She what is the meaning of this? At every slightest provocation, Benjamin will use my daughter as a punching bag. Why? Is this right? Who does this at this time of the world now?
It's very, very unacceptable. Whoever you think he is immaterial at this point in time. Because I can't have my daughter's cup brought to me all in the name of marriage.
Mom, this was what you did before. And Sam nearly 14.
Mama, you should keep some of that this. I want you to concentrate on his studies.
Why he kissed the sister? Oh, really? Okay, let me inform you. King says she is not going back there ever again. So make arrangement, go bring back her things from that boy's house. What is all this?
You should allow me to talk to him. Let me talk to him. Just man to man.
No, to know what? Tell me to what end? What else do you want to verify? The evidences of your daughter's body should be enough evidence and proof for you. Chief, please and please, do not go there and mess up things for us.
Allow me to handle this, woman. Allow me.
Handle it fast.
Dad, I support Mom on this. So. again.
Jay, you know the vibe that I bring in whenever I come to your house. Hmm? You see this money and the wine inside. Everything is for you. As a responsible man, I know how to take care of my supposed father-in-law. So it is my responsibility to take good care of you, to make sure that you are okay, your household is okay as well. You see, I have this complaint. Yeah, so Chief, something is bothering me. As a matter of fact, I can no longer concentrate. Your daughter, the love of my life, I don't know where she is. For the past 3 days now, I've been calling her. She no longer picks my call, nor returns the calls. Even the text messages, she doesn't reply. I'm bothered. I am missing my love. So I'm here to know what's up. What is going on? All these are for me. And there are more from where this is coming from.
You see the reason I keep telling everybody who has to listen, you are a good man. You see, you are a good man, but my family will not understand.
Yeah.
And, you see, I told them that conditions can turn a man around for bad. You are not a bad man, but the situation in the country today can make someone appear bad.
This is why I love you so much, because you are a reasonable man. You reason like a matured man that you are. That is why I always come to you to explain all these kind of things to you. Chief, I love your daughter so much, no doubt. Honestly speaking, I don't know what came over me that very day I laid my hand on her. I was so mad. I had issues at work. So I got home that very day. I was doing my stuff normally, and she just patched in like that. And
Ben, are you serious? Are you serious right now? Oh Ben, are you serious? Are you kidding me? So this is what you have to say to my father for using his daughter as a punching bag. You sit here and cap rubbish. If you know what is good for your heartless heart, take this money and this drink out of my father's compound.
Hey, stop that.
No, father, I will not stop it. And I am totally disappointed at you. If you don't care enough about my welfare, about my security, if all you give a hoot about is your selfish interest, I will fight for myself. I will not stop. So this is all you have to do. Sit here and listen to him tell you rubbish, how he's using your own daughter as punching bag. Is that all you have to do, Dad?
I insist that you should stop all this ranting. They are not necessary. I cannot sit here as a man and allow you insult a man, your husband, in my presence. It is never done. Remember that there is always tomorrow.
Hey, no, Dad, don't tell me that. I need to be alive today before I can talk about tomorrow. It's only the people who are living that talks about tomorrow. If I'm dead, I can't talk about tomorrow. This monster here is capable of sending me to an early grave, and I won't let that happen. Please, I am warning you. Take these things out of this place. Oh. Take them out. We don't need them. Why? Take them out. Why? Take them out. If I come back here and meet you, you won't like me. Rubbish.
My love, don't mind me. You know how these children of nowadays, they will always run without thinking deep. Eh?
Honestly, I'm not mad. I mean, she's my wife to be, like you said, and my husband. So the thing is, I will just lay low. Obviously, she is smart, but everything will be fine again. So I beg to take my leave right now so I can just go home and cool off. I'm happy I've seen her. She's fine. I'm okay.
Thank you for your understanding. You're a very mature man. Is it? I hope there's no other one there. Thank you very much.
So, Chief,
Yes, I'll call you once again. We'll see you some other time. Oh, my dear. Can you imagine? You have missed this one. Are you questioning my authority?
No, Chief, I'm not trying to do anything like that. God forbid. All I'm saying is, we had an agreement on how to treat Benjamin. But immediately he came here with his money tree. You forgot everything we agreed on and danced to his tune. Is that right?
Dad, that is unfair. Remember, it's your own daughter we are talking about here. And you always say that nothing is greater than family. I don't understand.
She knew that we planned to have this meeting and she left. That's exactly what she has been doing before Benjamin. If a man talks, he becomes a bad man. Anyway, you should allow me to handle it. I'm in line. I am in course. I'll get to the root of the matter.
Mom, why is your husband so stubborn? And he lost money so much, like I don't get it.
Just what you didn't say anything. Pretentiously, immediately he left, you started running your mouth. And I said that before, you will make backhand.
King, what is wrong with you? Come on, Benjamin is not the only rich young man out there. I hate him so much. I hate him. Can't you see?
Jenny, you know it's not all about his wealth. My father claims we have a bright future together. But I guess that's because we helped him get into federal contracts and he made a whole lot of money. For me, it's not about his wealth.
Did you listen to yourself? We're talking about you and not your father. If anything should happen to you tomorrow, you have yourself to blame. Can't you see? Oh, who am I? I wouldn't want to say much, so I don't interfere in your family's matter. But, baby girl, your happiness should come first. And that should be your priority, and not the other way around.
Jenny, thank you so much. I appreciate your concern. I'm tired. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Ben is not giving me breathing space to even go out there and see if I can mingle, probably meet someone else and fall in love. My father is not helping issues.
Kim.
Yes. I'm tired. He's restricting my movements, everything.
Kim, no woman should be saying what you are saying.
Gosh.
Like, what are you saying? Nobody, no woman should ever say what you're saying. Are you in a cage? Did they tie your hands and legs that you can move around? I will only advise you not to rush into marriage with Benjamin. Make sure he is what you want and you're ready so that you won't regret tomorrow.
be. And they come small, small.
But I have not offended anyone that would attract someone kidnapping my son.
What are you talking about? You didn't want to come for it. Come on, calm down.
Oh, Dad,
Mabel,
Mabel.
you're here.
Listen, when you called were so urgent that my husband and I feared something must have happened to my brother.
How do we know when we don't know his whereabouts?
That's the issue.
Mabel,
Who's that?
how could your brother leave the company entrusted in his hands as a company manager and just like that? Are you not sensing foul play? I will go to that company to accept it. And if by the time I get to that company and they are not giving me the right thing I need to know, I will get the whole management arrested so they could tell me what happened to my son.
You're right about that, Father. Yeah, get the police involved if you smell any foul play. Someone in that office can get him out in order to play a fast one on us. As mother is worrying about other companies. I don't need to advise you further on what to do. I know his capability. I don't know.
She tells her, going to your company to raise dust is not advisable. Don't just go there and accuse them of what they know nothing about. And if you must go, please tread with caution.
Reverend Featherman,
She feels that.
if you are telling me that my son did not come here to let you know where he was going, why are you insisting that I must not go to my company to make arrest of my staff concerning the truth?
If you can trust me, Chief Ezaku, don't go to your company with police to arrest him. It's better you make inquiries first.
But Ben has accepted everything you wanted and swore. What else do you want?
I want him to put it in writing and get a lawyer to sign it.
Kimberly?
Yes, Mom. Yes, I'm just trying to be alive. For you all.
I understand what you're trying to do, but to me, it looks like you are trying to catch a man, preventing him from raising his hand on you anytime you go wrong, thereby giving you the right to do wrong at any point in time without anybody questioning you. That's why I say it.
Mom?
Did I say anything wrong here?
The way that came out wasn't right at all. It sounded as if you're encouraging Ben to mistreat your daughter, to hit her at every slightest provocation, whether she does wrong or not. Bah, he should hit. That is what you exactly portrayed.
Well, why are we even beating around the bush? Do whatever suits you. You are an adult. But just know that all I'm concerned is I want you to have a better life, you and your children. That's all. Your mother chose me because she wants a better life.
Mom, did you hear that? Dad, listen, I'm not trying to be difficult. I just want to have a happy home, a peaceful marriage. I wouldn't want to get married and I'll start calling you and Mom every minute of the day to come sort issues for my husband and I. I wouldn't want that. If I can't have control over all of this right now, when do you think I would? Is it when I must have had 3 kids, or probably when he must have strangled me to death? Please.
Kim, I understand everything you are trying to say. Vividly, I understand you. But your father here is making matters worse. He doesn't even want to understand what we are saying. It's not helping matters at all.
Mom, make your husband to understand.
I just want Ben to put everything to writing. Get a lawyer to sign it. I'll watch him for a while before I agree to finally walk down the aisle with him. Forever is too long to be sad and miserable. Please.
Lawyer, come on, lawyer.
So, how did you go there?
Timothy has been calling the company. He has maintained routine calls, running the company from his unknown destination.
Then where is my son? Where is my son? And the number is you called?
A secured line that we cannot trace. I don't know what is happening to Timothy. I don't know why it's happening with him.
The Reverend Father you went to see, what about him?
They sound so well, like he knows what's going on.
No, he can't know what is going on and let us go through emotional stress. I will see you tomorrow.
Such you said, but believe me, you will not get anything.
Don't he doesn't know anything? Yes.
Timothy, in this world we are now, no woman wants to suffer. Oh yes. No woman will accept you the way you are now and agree to marry you. Listen, first of all, you need to get an apartment. Yes, you need to get an apartment. At least try to be a little bit comfortable, just the way we are enjoying now. Because why? Women like privacy. She needs a place she can at least visit once in a while building the relationship.
Joe, just hold it right there. I understand you're indirectly trying to say that if I find a woman, I cannot bring her to your house.
Come on, Timothy. Don't be a bad air with bad odor to spoil this air we are breathing in this conversation. So let me ask you, if somebody tells you that I, Joe, could do such a thing, you believe the person?
Not that.
Then what?
Look, I understand everything you said. And I appreciate the fact that you boldly told me the truth as my friend. But I have a plan. Everyone does. Except my plan fails and my hope shatters. But before then, I'll stick to my plan.
My brother, your plans will not fail. As a matter of fact, this house is your house. Okay? Listen, my prayer is that one day that God will elevate us.
Amen.
Baby girl, Ben bought so many things to ask for forgiveness.
Wow.
Yes, he bought me some clothes, shoes, bags. He even said he would take me to the jewelry shop so I can select some things just to make up.
That's really good. I'm so happy for you, girlfriend. Once you're happy, that's all that matters to me.
I pray he changes. Then again, I would want you to come along when I'm going to the jewelry shop. Please.
No.
Join us. Why?
I won't. You guys need your privacy. And moreover, I have someone coming to the house today. So just go and drop me off. Then you go and join him.
I don't like you again.
Listen, Joe. All I want is a woman that would love me for who I am. Not because of what I have.
And I don't want to say it's not possible before you attack me again. Anything is possible under the sun, but it is 1 in a million.
Exactly. That one shot is all I need to make it right.
Listen, my friend Timothy. Please. Please and please. I don't want women to play with your emotion when they realize this is what you want. You know that saying, all that guilt does is not good.
I swear. if anyone does not listen to your advice based on your experience with women, that person is done for in this life if they fall a victim.
And I will not associate with such person when the time comes, because I knew what I have passed through in the house of women.
And that is why I commit everything into God's hands. I swear, I am relying on God, honestly.
Papa, I need to learn this skill more so that I can start using the designs I've been downloading from the internet. Huh?
All you need is to focus. Put all your mind and energy.
At least I'm trying.
Of course, yes. Just imagine if you have started this at your tender age. Maybe by now, I might not be coming here again.
But I thought that going to school was the best option. Until my uncle's wife accused me of rape, whereas she was the one that lured me to sleep with her.
Stop reminding me of that incident. It makes me sick. Do you know what it means that my son slept with my brother's wife? God forbid.
Don't worry. As long as my Redeemer lives, I will fulfill my destiny.
You must fulfill your glorious destiny. With what I saw you do now, I know you make it. Yeah.
Now I can slant it.
This is sweet.
So, Timothy, I want to ask you something.
Shoot.
It's about what you told me. How do you intend to achieve the plan? Are you sure it's going to work?
Joe, first of all, nobody plans to fail. And secondly, my plan is going to work. It must work.
No. How do you intend to go about it? Because mainly it requires enough money. Timothy, if assisting you means helping you with money, then it's not going to be possible. You know what I'm going through. Eh? Sending every penny that comes into my hand for my sick mother in the village. You know now.
Look, I'm not talking about you helping me out with money. It's my cross. I'll carry it. But, you should make the most of it.
So, what are you insinuating?
I'm insinuating that I would need your advice, your guideline, and I'll need you to stand with me. That's all. Moral support.
Then you have it. I'll be there to support you. Maybe support.
Now this chicken is sweet.
Yeah.
Listen. There's something I want to tell you, and I would want you to keep it to yourself.
What is it? Did anything happen?
Mom, it's about Ben. I can't do forever with him.
Can you lower your voice so that they don't hear you? What are you talking about? What did he do?
Mama, could you believe that Ben is into drugs? He's a drug dealer.
Shh, that's the truth. How is that possible? He doesn't look it at all.
Have you seen a drug dealer before, Mom? How do they look?
No, what I'm saying is that he doesn't look like one. What did he do that made you conclude he's a drug dealer? Did any other thing happen?
Mom, countless times I've seen cocaine in his closet. Yes, the kind of friends he keeps, the call he makes. None of this shows he's into government contracts like he stated. I'm no longer a child, Mom.
You know, your father said he made some kind of background investigation of him and verified he is genuine. And even getting us contracts.
That could also be a cover-up. Don't you think so?
Oh, you know what? I just want you to be careful. Don't behave as if you told me anything. Let's conceal it for now. Everything will be fine, trust me.
I will, but I just want you to know that I can't spend forever with a drug dealer, a violent man. I can't. My happiness is so sacrosanct to me.
I know. Don't worry, we'll talk about it.
We'll get to know it. We'll get to the root of it. I just don't want to get married to a drug dealer and a violent man. I can't take it anymore.
Careful.
Yeah. You don't tell that yet. I will.
You can't be serious as to go that far, Chief.
If you will do what?
If I were in your shoes, I would do everything within my power. As in, you have gone to the police. They are working on it. You wouldn't have gone as far as soiling your hands.
Not soil my hands. I simply went to the native doctor's fire.
I want to get to talk to them.
You said that my son is very fine.
And what's the difference between that and what I told you last week, Chief?
I don't understand. But it seems like my son.
How? Something like what?
My son virtually told you all his Why is it now you can get so?
Your son Timothy has virtually told me everything in the past without telling me this one. Because he knew that all of you will come to me inquiring, just as you are doing now. And you said virtually, which means there are things he does without telling me.
All I know is that I'm always going how to start whatever it is.
Now you are talking like a father that knows his son, assuming he's a prodigal son. You wouldn't have met any of your properties when you return from Canada. As simple as that.
So, what did the Reverend Father say? Nothing that interests.
Nothing that interests. I don't understand. What's going on?
Well, I went to see a native doctor in about myself. And what the native doctor said is just what Father Mike wants.
What? Okay, wait. You mean you took our son's name to a native doctor to inquire?
You know what you're not. What other way, what length can one go in search of a missing child? What's it?
Hey! I don't understand. You know too well that if our son is here, he won't be happy with you. And you even took a risk going to take his name to those native doctors. Ha! Don't you know that they might tamper with his destiny?
I need a verbal distance right now. I need to rest. My son gave me no choice. I've done nothing compared to what other families could do in such a missing child.
What? Are you going to come to me like this? Honey? Oh. Honey? No. Hello, Father Mike. No, I'm not fine. How can my husband tell you about taking my son's name to a native doctor and you welcome the idea? Tomorrow he will start going to the native doctor. Honestly, that is how he starts. If my son hears about it, he's not going to take it lightly with him. Yes. I'm not happy about it at all. I never expected such from him. Are you hearing me? I said I never expected that from him. I'm not happy about it at all. Because the person in question we're talking about here is my son too. And as a mother, I never thought of it going to a native doctor or any negative places to ask of him because I knew too well that my son is safe. So please talk senses into him. You need to talk to him. You need to talk to him. I'm not happy about it at all. Thanks. I heard you. Bye.
At the office, she stays around here, so she brought me to this place for you. You will love it. So let's go. I'm so famished. Yeah, don't worry. But the place is looking so crowded. I can't wait. I'm hungry. Don't worry. When I get there, I'll just ask someone to get. Yes.
Papa, your food is here. Yes, Papa. Who are those people? Oh, Papa, well, some nice people that I help get their food because I was already ahead of the line. We decided to make my journey easy. Indeed, it was easy. Yes, Papa. Your food is here. Just how you want it. I even told them to keep some extra for you. But you know what
Jenny, yeah baby, I'm just thinking, how can such a nice, good-looking guy be doing carpenter with his dad at his age?
Well, you heard him said he's just helping his father out while he's looking for something better. My dear, what do you expect? It's not about business. He's just doing his business.
Yeah.
Moreover, is he a graduate or what? Working in an
No,
oil
he's
company?
a graduate. He said he didn't get job.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
that's not befitting. He's too cute for that.
It's not my business. So, Kim, can you be seated?
Oh, the food. The truth is, I can't wait to get to the house and taste it. It smells so good. The aroma is something else.
I know. I can't wait for you to have a taste of this food. You will love it. Food has done me very bad though. So I took our time to, find out where to get this food. So now when you eat it, you will love it.
Aww. No problems. I'll give you the shirt. I pray I like it.
You will love it. Let's just get home. I can't wait. I'm so hungry.
You're salivating already.
I'm telling you. Oh my god. I can't just wait.
So believe me, in this life, everything is turn by turn. Okay? And my own turn will come. And I will succeed. Yes. I had a great opportunity today. But I couldn't do anything because I didn't want to embarrass myself.
And what opportunity are you talking about? Timothy, you have been following me up and down since. Now you are done because I asked you a question.
Look, I went to the restaurant to get food for my father and I met this girl. She came with her friend. They drove to the restaurant to also get food. So I helped them. And in return, they drove me back to my father's shop. Honestly, that girl is just the kind of girl I want in my life.
Are you the one saying this?
Why?
Timothy, are you the one saying this?
What do you mean?
Because the Timothy that I know will tell me that he's looking for a good, homely and a God-fearing girl. So how come suddenly you're not having interest with a girl that owns a car?
Joe, there is no harm in dreaming big. I mean,
I didn't say there is a harm in dreaming big. Hey, I'm just asking to know if my guy is okay because you are sounding like somebody who is not normal.
Joe, take it easy, man. I only shared my thoughts with you. Huh? Why are you fighting me?
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting you. I'm just trying to make sure if my guy is still on the right track. He must be in a
But you are taking this thing too seriously. I'm not even sure I go see the girl again. Now the day they give me stress. It's alright if I fantasize about having a girl like that. I know whether I go see him again. I better free me. I have the right to think big, even if it's for a moment.
Automatically, they tire me. You understand?
Oh, things have been stabilizing since then. It's okay. Oh, it's fine now. And how about the cook you told me?
For the cook. Please add my own. I need a very shade one.
Let me call you back.
Why are you laughing at me?
Nobody's ordering any coke.
But I heard you mention coke now. Are you trying to deny it? You want to eat alone?
No, nobody's eating alone. I only asked him to help me get one on her way back home.
That's reminds me. King's fiancé has sourced another big contract for us. This time from the federal capital of Nigeria, Abuja. This one says, that is to say, we are now controlling the central bank. We will bring the central bank down to this place.
That's nice. By the grace of God, it will work. You know, Ben, he's used to the system. He will only post things and it will come to pass.
It has come to pass. So, listen, that is the beauty of having a son-in-law. He's caring and he looks after his wife's people. You see, Ben is such a nice young man. I've been advising him, help me to talk to her. You should know. Bend down for him. Let him be the man of the house so that things will continue to flow. He will continue to bless us and God will be using him. God will complete that good work He started in him.
That won't be a problem. I'll order for your cook.
Yeah, please tell her to bring the one, even the one from the mortuary that is so dead. Without a cook man. Hey!
Please, I don't want to hear you. Oh, please.
Sweetie, the way you shout at this boy. That's the reason why you left.
And why haven't you left? Because of the way I shout.
Honey, you are my husband.
He's my son. Not just the son, he is my all in all. So if I scold him because of where he's not getting the right, he will just disappear as a child, right?
This is what I am talking about, my husband. What I am trying to say that when a child grows into an adult, there are ways and things that he needs to drop by himself. Or let's say it this way, there are changes in life that he needs to. Maybe that's at the cause of this issue.
What issue? So this is all you have to say. Please, I do not want further provocation. I don't want to take it. Don't you get it? I need absolute quietness.
Why are you so tired these days? The way you talk, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Hi, baby. Hello.
What is the meaning of this? Why are you trying to mess up my sitting?
Baby, stop. What's real of this fact? I'm not messing up anywhere. Okay, I've already bought the things I want to bring forward, but I'm famished. I decided to take this fast.
You see how stupid you are? Lazy brat. You bought stuff you want to cook and then you decided to eat this nonsense in my living room. Why can't you just cook at once? Are you mad? And you don't even have anything to eat but this. What is this? Huh? You're eating this useless biscuit in my house? Are you mad? Have you lost? Are you a child?
Ben!
Listen, I am going straight into my room. By the time I come back, I want you to clean this place up, arrange my room the way it's supposed to be, and mop this place. Am I understood?
Baby, for once be romantic. Stop all this.
Hey, are you talking back to me? Jesus! Huh? Who romantic help? Oh, really? I can see you love beating. You like me touching you?
I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
Come back here! Ken!
I'm sorry!
Kim, I ask you again. How are you and how is Ben? I hope you two are doing great.
Mom, Ben is there.
Ben is there. What do you mean by that?
Mom, the truth is, I can't really wait to completely cut off from Ben. I can't do this for the rest of my life. I am tired.
Don't say this to the hearing of your father. Especially now that he's expecting something from Ben. It will ruin everything.
Really? Mom, so it's all about Dad and his selfish interest. You all would rather mortgage my happiness for what he's getting from Ben, right? Do you even care about me? My feelings, my happiness, my safety, my security? Do you people care? It's fine. No problems. Mom, where is Frances? I need her to do something for me. I get that a lot has been hitting you. And you've been up to a lot of things and you don't want to share. But please, whatever that is going on, do not know everything out of proportion. You can talk to me, but you don't want to share. Joey, I'm fine. I don't really see what's wrong with me. I think I'm okay.
You're not fine.
You're sick worried about Benjamin, right? Yes. You don't like it. He's written all of it. I can see it. But you know, the way you're going about it is just not good. I know he's not a good man, but the way you're going about it feels like you want to revenge or something. I mean, you've been staying in the lake. It's not enough. I am tired. I'm fed up. I deserve better. I deserve true love. I deserve happiness. And Benjamin is not giving any of those to me. And my father wouldn't even see business with me. It's frustrating. I get it. I know. But your mom, you're feeling her, right? You can share things with her. I think you should speak to your mom about this. Yes, she'll be able to advise you. Baby girl, I don't want you to make any mistake. But you're going to be affected tomorrow if you're affecting me. Please speak to your mom about it. You're right. I'll talk to your mom.
Mom, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is pure humiliation and totally uncalled for.
The Timothy you're fighting for has braced it with his two hands and full chest, and you're here killing yourself.
That's because you didn't have an option. No, tell me, how do I explain this to people? How?
You don't owe any explanation to anyone. Timothy made his choice and he's living with it.
That's obviously not his choice. You were there. I didn't even ask you, Mom. When Dad came to ask for your hand in marriage, was this how your parents treated him? Did they humiliate him to this extent?
That's enough. Enough! You need to rest your head before you blow everything out of proportion.
I'm not blowing anything out of proportion, Mom, for crying out loud. I'm just stating the obvious. This is pure humiliation. No man deserves to be treated in that manner.
Kimberly, just calm down. Like I told you earlier, you need to rest your head. For your father, I will talk to him, okay? Just go in and rest.
Mom, talk to your husband. Talk to Dad. If nothing is done and done urgently, I might do something very nasty that will affect all of us. Talk to him, Mom. I deserve happiness. I deserve to be happy. I haven't done anything wrong. I don't want Ben because I don't want Ben. I want Timothy, and no one can make me change my mind. No matter how much it humiliates him further.
No. Oh, it's your big head, Moon. You cannot use that head and think of something reasonable and responsible. I think I will shit.
He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Living for me is my choice. I love him like that. He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Leave him for me is my choice. I love him like that. His love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh. No bigger, no man. Rap for me, Timo. She
Thanks for everything, Kim.
You're welcome. Hi.
Hello. Kim, that's my friend and host, Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
Nice to meet you too.
I have to be on my way.
Huh? Okay. Kim. Can't you come in for a while? At least you stop by.
I'm sorry, I actually have to rush somewhere. Maybe we do this some other time.
Some other time?
Oh, come on, Kim. It will not take time. Huh? Besides, I don't like it when someone gets to my doorstep and refuses to come in. Come on.
5 minutes.
Cross my heart.
Okay. Great. Bad boy. This way, please.
He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood, living for me.
Are you chatting with another man?
Stop.
Imagine Thomas, an Arsenal fan, saying that if Arsenal win, right, and Man City, that they have won the Premier League. Whereas they still have about 17 matches to go. Can you imagine that?
They are daydreamers.
A very big daydreamer. It is just like Chelsea that are in 10th position, saying that they will carry the Premier League after playing 10 matches each. How is that possible? There are 10 matches. Isn't that amazing?
Because probably they feel they are the only one winning and others will just sleep and watch them win all the time. I don't know why they feel so comfortable.
Look, in Premier League, in English Premier League, anything can happen.
My friend,
Well, that's true.
anything can happen when you are up and doing. Not sitting at the bottom like Southampton and you expect miracle to happen. How is that possible?
Guys, please 1 minute. Let me take this call.
All right.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm at home. In my parents' house.
Oh, really? You're at your father's house?
I'm lying down on the couch. Yes, in the sitting room.
Oh, you are even at the parlor. Relaxing. All right. Since you're at your father's place, I wanted to see you.
Yes, but can I call you back?
But don't stress, all right? I will see you tomorrow.
All right. Guys, I'm sorry about that. I just had to lie.
It's okay.
But I have to be on my way.
Oh.
Are you seeing what I was talking about? Can you imagine the embarrassment, Chief? I'm here with you in your sleeping room, and your daughter, my love, is telling me that she's here also. When I start to react now, they will start saying I'm a bad man. I am this, I am heartless. I'm a woman beater. Is this not an embarrassment to my personality? Benjamin, one of Europe. No more Malaysia. And someone is toying with my heart. I don't think your daughter knows what it takes for me to pour out my love on her like that. Honestly speaking, Chief, your daughter doesn't know what she's doing because I'm a very busy man. You know what I do. You know the amount of money I get. And she's just toying with my heart as if I'm a small boy. Can you see? Honestly, I'm short of words. These children, they will never cease to amaze me. I wish the mother is around to see for herself.
Mbo, Frances. I hope you heard her clearly.
Dad, just like you always say that there is no smoke without fire.
What do you mean by that?
Maybe she's attending to something very important or close to the house, thinking that you are home.
Must she lie to me?
Now tell me, must she lie to me? That means she doesn't love me. So in other words, I'm wasting my precious time. After what I've done for this family, after my investment, you know how I do things, I bring money to you, for you all to be happy. And the woman I love is messing with me. Come on, Chief. You know me too well. Benjamin, one of Europe, is not someone that anybody would just toy with. It's okay. The embarrassment is too much. I beg to take my leave too. I will see you some other time.
See you tomorrow. You are an idiot, a buffoon. Look at what you said before this gentleman.
I don't know.
Anyway, I have no business with you until your sister comes back.
It's Rachael, understood. Living for me is my choice. Love him like that. He is Paul, I know. He is Rachael, understood. Leave him for me is my choice. Love him like that. His love is special.
Hey, baby girl. Welcome.
Thank you, Dad. How are you? Where's Mom and Dad?
They are inside, but the problem is that Benjamin was his father when he was calling him. Oh my God, are you inside? Jesus from this.
Oh yes. Frances Nightingale. Have you sung for her?
Dad, good evening.
Good evening. May that good evening turn to bad evening for you, idiot.
Chief, that's a huge cause. You're even on your own child. My daughter, I get it for you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to you.
Amen.
Scold her for the wrong she has done, not to heap causes on my own child, your child.
It's alright. Maybe I'll go. I will take a flight to get a KFC chicken for her. To congratulate her for lying. Lying to me.
Then I'm sorry, but I was close by.
Why are you chasing them around? Are they your mates? These are children. These are
No. Keep supporting them. Keep supporting them. One day, just one day, the shame, the load of shame she will come back with, you will heap it on your head.
God will judge you and I. If you or I is the one raising these children right. What is wrong with you? Why are you talking like that?
No, I don't think that.
You want to fall and break your waist. Then you blame them.
Oh, sorry.
You said what?
I said sorry. Just said sorry. Is it a crime?
Come on, get away. The thunder that was striking is being pressed up in Kaduna. Idiot.
Ha! Have got transfer that grace from me. Can you calm down? What is paining you?
No, it's always like this.
I don't know. It's simple now. Where did she go? Did she tell you that she was going? Come on, and what?
He is Paul, I know. He is Rachael, understood. Living for me is my choice. Love him like that.
But of a truth, Timothy, I must confess, despite her rich lifestyle, she's still homely and down to earth.
I enjoyed her company. I wish she would come again. The girl is just
A cool girl.
Let's just cross our hearts. Because I believe that she enjoyed our company too.
It's just that she looks like someone that have a rich boyfriend. Or maybe rich parents.
But what matters is happiness. Oh yes, Timothy. You know these rich people, they can go to any length just to find love. They don't even mind going to the dirtiest gutter. Talking about having a boyfriend, if she has a boyfriend, I advise you stay clear. Oh yes, because I don't want somebody coming here to look for us or to start threatening our lives.
That's the part that I hate so much. How these rich guys intimidate us with their wealth. It pisses me off.
Timothy, the truth of the matter is that if you're in the same position, you might do the same. You will go any length to protect what is yours.
Thank God you said might. Well, if it is meant to happen, faith will bring us together again.
I'm sure about that. She's a nice girl.
Wait a minute, Okimo. Are you talking about one of those girls that drove you here some time ago?
Yes, Papa.
I don't know, you know better. But such girls can be good or worse because of their lifestyle. But if she likes you as you claim, then she can volunteer herself and help you chase your dreams and your desires.
You're right, Papa. But my friend that is forcing me think otherwise. He likes her, and he said as much as she looks homely and nice, that he's afraid she might be wild and bad because she's from a rich home.
It's also right. Yes. You can proceed with her or you stay away. As you rightly say, the rich mingles with the rich.
Well, Papa, those words are in quotes. In reality, the rich are always looking for what money cannot buy. And I know that's what she's searching for.
You are equally right. But the choice is for you. Yes, if you make the right choice and you succeed, you share with me. But if it backfires, you equally share with me. But take note, you are the one to bear the consequences alone. You bear it alone, not with me. But you share the fortune with me, but the Lord you share it with me. How do you feel? Go ahead with your job. You can see you're doing well.
The truth is, I'm in love with you. I think I like him. No, I'm not joking. I think I'm falling in love the second time. I love everything about his personality, his calmness, the way he talks to me. See, I don't want too much talk of your wisdom. I'm just telling you that I'm now in love with you. I love the way
I'll call you back, my dad is here. Dad, I thought you went out, or you didn't come back with your car.
I came back on time. The car is with the mechanic. He's fixing one or two things there.
Well, Dad, I hope you didn't hear my conversation.
I heard everything clearly. Young love. You see, I told you that soon you will start enjoying it. The same thing I told Ben when he came here complaining. Only God knows how he will feel hearing all these vibes.
Dad, please, I want to ask you for a favor. Do not tell him about this phone conversation. Please, Dad.
Okay, there's no problem. I will not tell him. I promise.
Thank you, Dad.
I will not tell him. You see, if you continue like this, everything will be settled. You see, you know what we will stand to gain from Ben? What this family will stand to gain from him? Yes.
It's okay.
Where's your mom?
Let me call her. Yeah, she's in the kitchen. Mom? Girlfriend, my dad scared the hell out of me. I didn't even know he's been listening to my conversation. Thank God you didn't mention anything. That really a disaster. What? Okay. Have you talked about what will happen when the father finds out the sheep from them during flood? It will definitely be like the war between two enemies. You don't know your father. Your father will skin you alive. He will kill you. He might even disown you. Disown you for what? Yes, because you're trying to cut him off already. That's my problem. Girl, that is what really hurts me the most in front of us. So it's not about who my father cares. Nobody cares about my security. Nobody cares about my feelings. But you know what? Every man, or let me say every parent wants. They want an in-law that will be giving the nasty all the way down to their airport.
Under Brazil, big man touched a big man. He will listen, come man. As no say, if you're bad man, you have no say. Big man touched a big man. Under Brazil. Big man touched a big man. He will listen,
Yeah, hello? What happened now? You never come home till now. What did that happen? Oh, not to know. It's just that Kim has been here twice, asking of you. So I was wondering if you don't give am belle. You are not normal. So where are you now? Oh, you went to your father's shop. Oh, okay. Do and come back. Oh. Yes, do and come back. I gave plenty gist for you. My one. Yes. Okay, no. One more thing. As you are coming back, help me branch at Mama Nkechi. Buy a very hot akala with that round bread. Yes, now within I want job this night. I know, no issue. Come quick, oh. Okay. My one. My one. Say what that? Don't give this again, though. Make her define you like American visa. Baby.
Hi, darling.
Baby boo.
Why are you so excited like you won the lottery?
Baby boo. My love. I am so happy. In fact, I won something bigger than the jackpot.
You've always been a winner.
Thank you.
Keep winning.
Uh-huh.
So what is this that you want this time?
Actually, I don't know how to start telling you this, but I'm happy because this good news I got is something I've been expecting in this our relationship.
What could that be?
Okay, I got this good news how you were calling your friends, telling them how much you love me, how much you care about me. We are just, practically telling your friend that you cannot do without. And I'm so happy to hear that. With this, I can now say I am really in love with you. Because your love for me is genuine. And I know that you mean it, right? You love me so much.
Dad, why? You promised to keep this to yourself.
You and I know that your dad cannot keep this in. This is a good news. This is what I want to be hearing. Huh? I want to be hearing this kind of thing. So if I will calm down. I love you so much. You know that.
What do you have to say?
I have a lot to say. A lot to show you. So right now, I want to take you inside the room, take care of you, touch you, kiss you, and make it.
Yeah, but that should be later.
Why?
You need to eat, you just go.
Hey, come on, you're
Don't
my
worry, let me
favorite.
get you.
Oh, I don't need anything. It's really good. Come on. Huh? You see, I can't stop thinking about it. Let's go to the room. Oh! So you love me so much. Why can't you just tell me I love you? Huh? Tell me that I want to be married to you every day. My baby.
Stop!
Oh!
God!
My queen! Let me go give it to you.
Him. It's not like I don't want, but I have a lot of work on the table. So much to do. Look around. I'm busy.
I totally understand you, but at the same time, you need to rest. Okay, so I'm of the opinion you should go to somewhere cozy, chill over a glass of whatever you so desire, and share thoughts.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Let me round up something.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Living for me is my choice. I love him like that. He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Leave him for me is my choice. I love him like that. His love is special. He knows my heart.
Just look at all she got for me. She has transformed my life. Please help me and thank Kim. She's been wonderful to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kim. It's as if you knew he really need to change his wardrobe.
What are friends for? I mean, if not to help each other when we have needs. It's nothing. And I'm glad I could put a smile on your face.
Thank you so much.
You can see now. Look at the way he's smiling.
So guys, it's really nice being here, but I have to be on my way. Yes.
Okay.
I'll call you later.
All right.
No problem. Bye-bye. Kim, bye.
Take good care of yourself.
Take care of you.
All right, bye.
Oh boy. Look at this. Just look at this. Joe, I am not joking. She bought me everything brand new. There is more. There is. Look at this. Man.
See,
I'm speechless.
This thing. Wow. Now, so all these big men daughter used to do. Right? Yeah. She's doing all these things so that you can fit into her level. You don't look like a village boy.
Right, well, I'm sure this will even make me fit into her level.
Yeah.
Baby girl, I can see the smile all over your face. You look so beautiful and happy. So, you love this guy.
That's an understatement. The fact is, I've fallen heads over him for him. I love him. Yes, he's worthy of it all.
So, where are you driving at?
I think I should help him. He's brilliant, he speaks well. I think he deserves better. Yes, so I want to give him some money to start a business.
Hold on. This is charm, right? He's using a charm on you.
I don't ever want it to clear off my eyes because I'm enjoying every bit of it. This is the first time someone is making me to feel really loved, respected, cherished, adored and appreciated.
Okay.
Baby girl, listen. I want to make life more comfortable for him. I don't like where he's staying. I don't like what he wears. I don't like the kind of business he's doing. So I will change his life.
Kim, you haven't even recovered from Benjamin. And now, this new guy.
He's not Benjamin. He's different.
I just hope you're doing the right thing. And I hope he's worth the stress.
Yes, he's worth it. A billion times. And you.
Okay, I'm happy for you.
Please, let's go get some ice cream.
I can't wait. Because this sounds so good.
He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Living for me is my choice. Love him like that. He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Leave him for me is my choice. Love him like that.
Were you able to wait for our son to come?
Yes. When he called, I listened all through his conversation as he asked all the questions that he was supposed to ask, as if though he's there himself. I tell him what he said, if it's running, you can't take it over.
So after that, what are you doing?
Well, I didn't want to spoil whatever his plans are, because I made sure that everybody is in tune as if they are aware of
Your hand is forward.
Probably when you hear my voice and hang up, do not call it. Don't think outside the country.
Oh, join you later. Let me go to the kitchen and take some. I'll get back to you.
Joe, Kim wants to shock me again. Another shocker is on the way.
What is she planning this time around? Does she want to buy you a car?
No, I don't think I need that right now. That's a liability. I never chop belly full.
A word. You are right. So what is she planning to do this time?
Guess.
I can't guess. Tell me.
She wants to start a business for me.
Are you serious?
I am very serious. As a matter of fact, you and I are going to the market so that, I can survey and see the kind of business I'll get involved in. Hey, yes.
Wow. Timothy, listen. Right here, right now.
Yes, my brother.
I do not care whatever anybody have to say concerning you and Kim.
I hear you.
Hold that gear with your two hands.
I hear you.
Timothy, hold that gear with your two hands.
Look, man, it feels like I'm watching a movie.
Hey!
I can't stop watching it.
My guy, don't make up. You are not in this guy. You catch this one, though.
Wait.
Kim.
Hello, darling.
He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Living for me is my choice. Love him like that. He is poor, I know. He is wretched, understood. Leave him for me is my choice. Love him like that.
Mom,
Why are you staring at me like that, Mom? Is there any problem?
Kim, I am your mother. Remember, we still cook and eat from the same pot as a family. There's something you're not telling me of late. Especially this your newfound joy. I don't want to believe it's been like your father has always said. I don't trust him on that. Can you please tell me the secret?
No. I'll tell you. Can we not talk about it right now?
Really? Is that how you want to do this your new dance? Remember, you will come looking for me when the time comes. And you don't want us to talk about it now. When do you want us to talk about it?
No, sorry. Can I take my phone? Sorry.
He is poor, he is wretched, living for me is my choice. Love him like that. He is poor, he is wretched,
Okay, so we have a big provision store, electronics, clothes and shoes. So amongst these three, which do you think you would thrive with?
Don't look at me. Timothy, the ball is in your court now, so play it. She's asking you.
I don't know which one I should pick. I'm confused. Help me out. They're all good businesses, but I just don't know the right one to pick.
Electronics have a big provision. And the thing is that, Kim, I will place this for you to choose because you are the one that is going to fund it. So I suggest you pick according to your pocket.
Money is not the problem. Yes, I just want us to pick a business he will be passionate about.
Electronics.
Okay, electronics.
Yes. Because this one has to do with everyday, items that people need. And it will fit a big shop, Electronics, lots of electronics.
I totally agree with you.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do electronics. But first thing first, we need to get someone tomorrow that will help you out with the shop and other things you need.
Sure. I'll need that help.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Can you believe this?
Yeah, God sent you. And I want to know.
It's okay.
You're really a godsend.
It's okay. So we'll discard this too.
Yes, exactly. Electronics, exit. Yes, this is the right. And I guess I should be thinking about the brands that I will have to deal with.
Of course, you'll get variety.
Do you have a suggestion of brands?
So, Timothy, because of that girl, Kim, you have not been coming to the workshop for the past 3 weeks. What is going on?
Something good has been going on. I've actually been learning electronics business, electronics trade in the market.
Electronics?
Yes.
Are you telling me the truth?
That's the business Kim is helping me to set up. She wants to open a big electronics shop for me.
Yes. If that is what is going on, that's a very good news. Of course. But I hope you are learning very well.
Papa, I'm learning very fast. In fact, by next week, I will be buying my own set of goods, the fresh set of goods, and opening my shop, Papa.
Wow, this is good.
Yes, Papa.
I would like you to come along with her so that I will thank her myself because she is doing a very great job. Very great job she has done. And I pray that God will continue to reward her.
Amen.
That is it.
Amen.
Oh, that is very good news. Good news. Hey.
Papa, I hope the work is going well here.
Going very, very well.
Oh, please come in.
Who is there? Come inside.
Can you come down? It's a hospital.
Oh, good evening, sir. Hi, mommy. Good evening.
Good evening.
Baby, how are you?
Great.
Thank you. Joe. Thank you so much. Thank
Good day,
you.
sir.
Please come.
Good day.
Sit, have a seat. This is my mother. This is my father. Dad, mom. This is
Timothy, and this is Joe. They are my friends.
Hello, ma.
How are you?
I think at this point of the day,
Okay.
oh yeah.
No problem. Bye, excuse you. I'll see you later.
All right, ma.
Johnny, how is the people? Yeah. This huge man.